Hello and welcome to another Decal Ranch tutorial. So you have downloaded your image. You have your PNG, your JPEG, SVG if you have Designer Edition or up. Now what do? There's a few different ways we can get it into Silhouette Studio. Now a lot of people ask about the library, and it's not really needed in order to use anything you download. So we're going to skip the library for this example and just show you a couple different ways we can get it to where you can start playing with it. So first you can hit the open or file open and click on the logo. So there's the logo I want to play with. There, import it in. We could then also, if you have open a folder, you can just drag it from the folder right into your work area. Same thing. But, for example, what if you already have something made and the image is to add to it? If you go and hit open, it opens it in a new tab. But what you can do is merge. And now you can trace, do whatever you need to do with it. But this at least brings it into the current document you're working on. Open, as you can see, opens it in a new file, which is fine because then you can just go in, copy, paste. And there's one last option. For example, if the image is on your desktop, so I'm going to grab this SVG. If the image is on your desktop, you can drag it in just the same. So there's my BMP, or my PNG, and I drug it from my desktop straight into the program. If you're on one monitor, that's how I usually end up doing it. I just move it over a little, grab, drag, and then blow it back up. I usually have multiple monitors running, so I can have files on a different screen and bring them in. But there's just a quick couple different ways of importing your file in to Silhouette Studio, so then you can begin start tracing, editing, or do whatever you need to do. Any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you liked the tutorial, plan to do more videos like this into the future, so please, as always, have a great day.